Hi, today we are going to see how to rectify error while running VSRX Juniper SRX firewall in GNS3. If you run GNS3, so see, so you can see error processor stopped return code 1. Okay, so we need to see how to mitigate this error. Just stop this, okay, and click to stop, then configure, go to advanced. If we see advanced, you need to remove this entire line, okay, and replace this with PC. Apply, okay. Now it will start. You see, it will take some more time. It will take more time. Okay, you need to type root, no password, okay, CLI. Just you are in configure, you are in configure mode, set system you are now, you see your error stopped. You can access VSRX firewall. So next video we can see how to set management interface. For more information, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.